So let's break a CAPTCHA. What we have here is a very simple CAPTCHA that just prints letters tilted and in different fonts. So it's not a super sophisticated CAPTCHA. But as you probably know, these CAPTCHAs are falling into disfavor because AIs are so good at breaking them. And so here it comes. Here's what you get. The letters are sort of tilted over and bent in different fonts, and we want to recognize them. So prepare the images. This just processes the images and turns them into 20 by 20 grayscale images. So we have fixed images to work with, like the last one we did with the images of clothing. All right. And now we're going to create a model and train it. So here you have an input shape of 20, 20 by 1. So it is 20 by 20 pixels, and it's only got one color. It's grayscale. And then we have a couple of convolutional layers just to process the image, then a hidden layer with 500 nodes, and then an output layer with 32 nodes, because there are 32 possible letters in this data set. And we're going to get a probability of which of those 32 letters it's in, the same way we did before, by optimizing this model. So, all right, this is ready. The data is ready, and so here's the model running. And again, you can see here's the layers. It has a couple of convolution layers, which are just to process the image, I think, to get it ready. Then it flattens it, and then it has a hidden layer that's dense of 500 nodes, which is the one that does the processing, and then it has output layer of 32 nodes, sorting the images into 32 categories. So the total number of parameters is now 500,000, 667,000. And here we go. Here's the loss, 33322. The loss is falling, as it should, as each model adjusts the parameters to make it more accurate. After 10 epochs, the loss has fallen to a relatively small value. And we can summarize it. Anyway, so that's, you see how well that works. And I should have a accuracy measure. In fact, let's see if I can find that. Yeah, here we are. That's the accuracy. Here's the loss, and here's the accuracy. The accuracy is going up. So it went up from, it started at only 11% correct, and it got up to 87% correct. So it's pretty good. And, that's the point of these things. So you get to start playing with machine learning. You can see how it works. And this is a super important thing to know. Everybody's building this into every product now, and the people that are purchasing it do not really understand how it works or what the limitations are.